Good evening, children. Welcome to this English class. Today we will learn about a new topic. Before going to start the topic, I will ask you a question. The question is, what do you want to be in future, or what is the aim of your life? Your answers may differ. One of you may say, I want to be a doctor or an engineer, etc. Farmer, teacher. Let's read the poem and see what the poet wants to be. The topic is I'd like to be. Look, the topic is I'd like to be. Now I will recite the first stanza of the rhyme. I'd like to be a monkey. I'd like to be a monkey and climb the tree so high. Jumping from branch to branch, jumping from branch to branch, till I reach the sky, till I reach the sky. Again, I'd like to be a monkey. I'd like to be a monkey and climb the tree so high, jumping from branch to branch till I reach the sky. Next, playing and skipping all day long, playing and skipping all day long, dancing and eating too. I'd like to be a monkey. I'd like to be a monkey. What about you? Here, the keywords are I'd. That means I would. We pronounce it as I'd. Climb, going up high. In Odia, we say arohana kariba. So high, that means very high. Branch, in Odia we say gachar shakha ba dalo. Reach, spelling ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା REACH, reach, that means arrive, ପହଞ୍ଚିବା. Another word is also RICH, you know, reach, that means dhoni. All day long, that means whole day. In Odia we say dino sara. Now try to understand. I would like to be a monkey. Here the poet wants to be a monkey, or his desire is to be a monkey and climb the tree so high. He wants to climb the tree so high. He or she also wishes to jumping from branch to branch till he or she reach the sky. Here the poet is a child. Playing and skipping all day long. The poet wishes to play and skip like monkey all day long. That means whole day. He or she also wishes to dance and eat too. I'd like to be a monkey. What's about you? Here, the poet wants to be a monkey, and he also says the child he also says, he also wishes, he or I'd like to be a monkey. That means the poet wishes to be a monkey. What about you? Here, about the children's future aim, what they want to be. Now, I am going to tell you the summary of the first stanza. Here, the poet or the child wishes to be a monkey. She or he wishes to climb the tree very high and wishes to jump from branch to branch till it reaches the sky. Here the poet's wish is very high. She or he has a high wish. She or he wants to play and skip all day long. She or he also wants to spend her or his time with dancing and eating. You know that monkey is a wild animal. Now the question may arise in your mind that why the poet wants to be a monkey. The answer of your question will be, it is a wild animal. Wild animals lead a free life. They born free in the wood or jungle or forest. They love to live free life in the nature. Here the poet advises the children to lead a free life like a monkey. Now I will give you some questions and you will have to do the answers in your school copies. Number 1. Choose the right answer. First, in the first stanza, the poet wants to be dash. Options are a tiger, a lion, a monkey. You will have to choose the right answer and put it in this blank. Okay. Second, a monkey dash. The options are jumps from branch to branch, flies in the sky, dances in the river. You will have to choose from these 3 and write the correct answer in this blank. Number 2. Write the contracted form or short form. एटी तुमको कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म दि जाइए सेटा शॉर्ट फॉर्म आम ओडिया कहे जे तार संक्षिप्त रूप. कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म को इंग्राजी रे आमे आउ कहे शॉर्ट फॉर्म, ओडिया रे ताको कहे तार संक्षिप्त रूप. ये देख लिखाई आई वुड. ताको आमे जते बेले कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म बा शॉर्ट फॉर्म रे लिखिबा आई तापर कमा देकी एठी लिखले डी. ताको पढ़िबा केमिति आईड. आईड मन रखा सेमती आई हाड यार संक्षिप्त रूप से भाया लिखा किंतु पढ़ा कौन आई एड. आई एड या पढ़ुचे आईड, या पढ़ा आई एड. सेमती तुमको देछि आउ किछि ताकू करिबा तार संक्षिप्त रूप बा कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म. आई हैव कौन हम ताको ये लिखा. आई एम तार कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म कौन हम ये लिखा. यू आर तार कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म कौन हम ताको ये लिखा. ही इज तार कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म बा शॉर्ट फॉर्म ये लिखा. तुम आज एतिकी पुणी नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आमे आउ अधिक जानिबा तार सेकंड स्टांजा विषय रे पढ़िबा. ओके, गुड बाय चिल्ड्रेन. सी यू इन द next class. Goodbye.